Since 1971, ELM Electrical has provided commercial and industrial customers throughout the Northeast with a single-source solution for state-of-the-art electrical contracting, automation, electrical services, and industrial control panel assembly. We foster a culture of constant adaptation and improvement and strive to provide our customers with cutting-edge technologies and the highest levels of safety and service. And we do it without sacrificing the personal, friendly approach that has helped us develop the long-term relationships our business is built on. There's a saying around here that ELM workers are true blue. Our crew has a level of dedication and commitment that's a real rarity these days. We take pride in the fact that people have given 10, 20, even 30 years to this company and our customers. At ELM, safety is our #1 priority. Speed and efficiency is key, but we never make a move that would put our workers or customers in danger. All workers are up to date with OSHA, MSHA, and other state and federal regulations, and ELM Electrical has been recognized for our outstanding commitment to workplace safety. Whether it's a small one-time job or a high-volume long-term partnership, ELM Electrical has the power to make it happen. So let's make it happen.